So this is my favorite warung, and this is the chef. What's your name?
Wiwit.
Wiwit.
Yeah.
Wiwit. So this is Wiwit, and he's cooking. He's doing the fish for me. So it's the salt fish. So he's chopping up the salt fish. I'll take that into the hot fire. A little egg. Some onion. Chives.
Garlic.
Garlic. Garlic. Oh, smells good, huh? Rice. White rice. Nasi. Sugar?
Yeah. No.
Salt.
Yeah.
Salt.
Salt. Yeah.
Little salt.
With sugar.
Little sugar.
And sauce
Salt.
Raja Rasa.
Sauce Raja Rasa.
Yeah.
Sauce Raja Rasa. A little bit.
And sauce
Ketchup.
English.
Asian ham sauce. Little sprinkle.
And sauce tiram.
Tiram.
And sauce sweet manis kecap.
Mayonnaise.
Soya.
Okay.
Sauce tomato.
Tomato. Smells good, huh? And he puts it in a little shaping mold. Gets it all out, gets all the flavour, everything's perfect. Onto the bowl. Beautiful. Simple, fresh. I'll put all the ingredients. You can recreate this at home. I can tell you now, and I'll try it for you in a moment. The flavours are absolutely delicious. Now, what are you having, Michelle?
Mie goreng ayam.
So Michelle is having mee goreng with chicken. So it's a little different. So now he's making the mee goreng. So a little water, hot water,
Yes.
for clean. So we're using the hot water just to deglaze and clean off the plate. Wow. I love watching you work. So good. Some oil. A little egg. How do you say egg? Egg in
Telur. Telur.
Galor.
Yeah.
Galor. The vegetables with the chicken. So we've got the vegetables, we've got the chicken, little tomato, little
With flour.
cabbage.
Yeah.
So now he's getting some fresh wilted lettuce, a little bit of stock going in there now. We take the meat, the fresh meat going in also, and a little sugar, a little salt, the sauces again. little more of that. Tomato. Oh, this is a fish
oil,
sauce?
oil fish.
Oil of fish, yeah?
Yeah.
Turns up the heat. And if you could smell what I can smell now, it's delicious. I love this kitchen, this place. It's such a great Warung. This is a family owned, fresh food cooked daily. So Nasi Goreng Ayam. That's beautiful, man. It's so good. Thank you, buddy. You are an absolute star. You're very good. Now, oh, hello. You want to say hello? Video, say hello. Hello. Oh, you're so pretty. Thank you, Suksama. So they've served this now. Michelle's got the mee. I've got the Nasi Goreng. We've both got the iced coffee. This is iced coffee susu. Coffee is coffee. Susu is with milk. So I want Michelle just to tell you, just to say how good this is, because we had this almost every day since we got here. That's only a couple of days. It's so delicious. I'm going to put the ingredients. You can make this at home. So take this as like a Steve's Kitchen special.
Okay. Got some noodles. It's going to be hot.
Good, right?
That's a good one.
So I've got the Nasi Goreng. The flavors, I mean, this is really good Nasi Goreng. I don't know how you would have it if you had it in the Western countries you might be in, but this is the way they have it, Indonesian style. This is a local warung. This is not a place particularly for tourists. I will tell you now that the price of this is probably just shy of $1 Australian, about maybe $1.20. So under $1 US, under $1 US. Here goes. That is so good, and that's got the saltfish. Wow, that's good. They've got the saltfish. Ikan basah. Shall we have a little look at the name? Ikan Asin. Lovely salty flavour. We get these little fish crackers or prawn crackers as well, and usually a little bit of vegetable, usually some cucumber. It's fresh, it's delicious. It doesn't get any better. We've been here 5 minutes, 10 minutes max. Fresh food, straight to the table. Great value, lovely people. Thank you, Chef.
Steam camera.
Thank you. And did I say the iced coffee here is really good. It's a little sweet. You haven't got a choice. In Asia, you're going to get mainly sweet coffee. I don't normally have sugar, but this is so delicious. It's around about 60 cents Australian, so under only about 40 cents US dollars. Sweet, rich, almost like melted ice cream. Delicious. And today, later in the evening, there was a guy here. A satay ayam. That is chicken satay. And in the evening time, he's here cooking up the satay. But today, we've got rain here in Ubud. It's lovely and fresh. We came up on our little motor scooters. You won't be able to hear me. It's beautiful. Fresh. Look at this. the name of this one again?
So mein. So mein.
Sioman.
Sioman.
Sioman. So this is Sioman. Soman. How you say? Soman. Soman. Good, huh? That's really nice. I was just given a little piece. It looks like a sort of pastry with some peanut sauce or chicken broth. A little bit like a dumpling, really, but really tasty. Chef just gave me some to try. It's all warm there, so it's just laid out, cooling down. Because of the rain, I'm going to have a second dish. I'm having a glass fried noodles, like a glass noodles rather than a mee goreng. It's a bihun goreng. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. Bihun goreng ayam, which is a fried glass noodles with chicken. Not sure if you can hear me with this rain. The rain's coming hard now. You won't be able to hear me. You can see me. Perfectly seasoned.